Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. A tactical nuclear test featuring a 0.5 kiloton warhead was completed under Nasr-II development. Designed for close-range deployment, it boosts battlefield control while minimizing collateral risk. Defense officials from Belarus and Pakistan explore cooperation in simulation-based training, drone warfare, and armored tactics, paving the way for joint personnel development programs. China is set to deliver its cutting-edge FC-31 stealth fighter jets to Pakistan. The Gurfalcon will boost Pakistan's air power with next-gen radar evasion and advanced strike capability, a major leap for regional air dominance. Engineers integrate a hybrid booster into the Shaheen-III MRBM, enabling faster launch response and greater operational range, enhancing second strike readiness. Suggesting bold regional change, Bilawal calls for coordinated efforts between ISI and RAW. Joint intelligence on cross-border threats could reduce militancy across South Asia.
Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.
Pakistan Navy has commissioned the advanced destroyer PNS Tariq, making global headlines as the first warship equipped with a fully integrated laser-based close-in weapon system. The CIWS can track and neutralize drones, incoming missiles, and low-flying aircraft using directed energy bursts. This system operates in tandem with radar-guided kinetic interceptors, creating a dual-layer defense. PNS Tariq also includes AI-assisted threat prioritization and electronic warfare jamming pods, making it a pivotal platform in maritime defense, especially in the Arabian Sea and beyond. Pakistan Army has deployed robotic minefield breachers designed to clear heavily mined zones up to 10 times faster than traditional manual methods. These autonomous systems are equipped with ground-penetrating radar, thermal mapping, and explosive ordnance disposal arms. Powered by hybrid diesel-electric engines, they can operate silently in hostile environments, ensuring safety for advancing troops. The breachers communicate via encrypted uplinks to command centers, offering real-time visuals and automatic detonation logging. Their rollout enhances operational mobility along the line of control and conflict-prone regions. Pakistan's defense scientists have unveiled a prototype quantum radar system capable of tracking stealth aircraft and hypersonic missiles up to 600 kilometers away. Unlike conventional radars, this system uses entangled photon beams to detect low RCS objects by analyzing quantum signal disruptions. It offers superior tracking in jamming heavy and low visibility environments. The radar can't be spoofed by decoys or stealth coatings, giving Pakistan a future-proof edge against fifth-gen fighters like India's Rafale and potential stealth drones. The Al-Khalid-III main battle tank fleet is now being fitted with smart dust microsensor arrays. These dust-sized sensors can be deployed around the battlefield, forming a mesh that detects enemy vehicle movements via acoustic, seismic, and thermal signatures. Once enemy motion is detected, the sensors transmit encrypted data to tank commanders, enabling rapid turret targeting and precision strikes. This networked situational awareness system dramatically reduces ambush risks and gives Al-Khalid-III crews a decisive battlefield advantage. Pakistan Aeronautical Complex has announced the Smart Wing upgrade for the JF-17 Block 4, boosting its maneuverability, range, and smart payload control. The redesigned wings feature embedded micro-actuators for morphing wingtip geometry, optimizing aerodynamics mid-flight. These wings also support AI-linked pylon interfaces, allowing seamless integration of new weapons like loitering munitions and electronic warfare pods. The Smart Wing system reduces radar cross-section and enhances overall multi-role performance across air superiority and deep strike missions. Pakistan has successfully tested the Shaheen-IV extended-range ballistic missile equipped with a maneuverable re-entry vehicle, MAR-V. This next-gen system allows the warhead to alter trajectory during descent, bypassing missile defense systems such as India's S-400. The missile boasts a range exceeding 2,500 kilometers and features solid fuel propulsion, GPS-aided targeting, and hardened warhead casings. The MAR-V enhances first strike survivability and reinforces Pakistan's strategic deterrent posture amid rising regional tensions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.